He is known as the smartest investor in the world. When Warren Buffett talks, the world listens. When he sells, everyone asks why. So, why did Buffett sell his shares in the company of the future, Tesla, and instead pour billions of dollars into a Chinese company, BYD, that most of the world had never even heard of? This isn't just a story about a car company. This is a story about $1 billion chess game. And in this video, we're going to tell you the inside story. The real reason that's making Elon Musk very, very nervous. So what is BYD? To most people, especially in the West, they look like just another new EV brand. You've probably seen their Atto 3 or Seal on the roads. But that is not the inside story. To understand BYD, you have to forget about cars. Because BYD didn't start as a car company. They started as a battery company. In fact, they are one of the largest rechargeable battery manufacturers on planet Earth. Your old Nokia phone, its battery was probably made by BYD. Your laptop, your power tools, same story. And that is what Warren Buffett invested in all the way back in 2008. He didn't invest in a car company. He invested in a world-class technology and manufacturing giant that also happened to make cars. He saw something no one else did. The future wasn't just about using electric power, it was about controlling the source of that power. While Tesla was scrambling to secure battery supply from partners, BYD was making its own. This is called vertical integration, and it is BYD's secret weapon. For almost a decade, Tesla dominated the EV market. They had the technology, the brand, and the cool factor. But they also had a problem. Their cars were expensive. Building an electric car is hard, but building the battery is the most expensive part. While Elon Musk was fighting supply chain hell and paying partners like Panasonic and CATL billions for batteries, BYD was quietly using its secret weapon. Remember, BYD is the battery company. They don't buy batteries, they invented them. They created the revolutionary Blade battery. Safer, cheaper, and easier to produce. And because they control everything, from the raw materials to the final car, they can do something Tesla can't. They can control the price. While Tesla had to raise prices to stay profitable, BYD entered markets like Australia with cars that were 20, 30, even 40% cheaper. The Tesla killer wasn't a better car. It was a cheaper car. And it started a brutal price war that is shaking the entire industry. But if you think this is just about cheap cars, you're missing the inside story. Warren Buffett doesn't just buy companies, he buys moats. A moat is a competitive advantage, something that protects a business from competitors, like a castle's moat. For years, Tesla's moat was its brand, its technology, and Elon Musk himself. People bought a Tesla because it was a Tesla, but Buffett saw a flaw in that moat. A brand can be copied. Hype fades. But what's really hard to copy? Manufacturing. BYD's moat isn't its brand. It's the entire supply chain. They don't just build cars. They mine the lithium. They process the chemicals. They invent the batteries. They build the microchips. They even build the ships that carry the cars to Australia. And that is the inside story. Buffett sold Tesla not because it's a bad company, but because he saw a competitor, BYD, that had a wider, deeper, and older moat. Tesla is a brilliant tech company trying to learn mass manufacturing. BYD is a brutal manufacturing giant that already mastered the technology. Buffett didn't bet against Elon. He bet on the supply chain. So the battle lines are drawn. This isn't just a Chinese story or an American one. This is a global price war, and its shockwaves are being felt everywhere, from the showrooms in Sydney to the highways of the UK and the suburbs of North America. But don't count Tesla out. Elon Musk knows this price war is his single biggest threat. In response, Tesla is now racing to build its own next-gen $25,000 vehicle, a cheaper car designed to beat BYD at its own game. They are slashing prices on their current models to compete. Warren Buffett placed his bet on the manufacturer. Elon Musk is betting on the brand and future innovation. But the real winner in this massive war? It's you. This brutal competition is forcing every car company from Ford to Volkswagen to innovate faster, build better batteries, and, most importantly, lower their prices. The battle for your driveway has just begun. So, where do you place your bet? On the manufacturing giant or the tech innovator? Let us know in the comments below.